attach new thread. I will show you how I will do it. I will leave small tiny tail. I will weave a thread around few seed beads and I will come out next to the tail. I will make a knot. This will be hidden under our pin, so this is absolutely fine. I will make a knot. And I will pass to the top. Measure our pin, where are our holes, and I will enter into the pin. I think I will need to pass one more seed bead to the top. So you have to measure your pin and act accordingly to your pin, as all pins are different. Holes are placed differently as well on the pins, so you have to make it work for you. I will enter into the top of my brush next to the crystal here. And then I will start to sew on my pin this way. I take sequence. I take 10-0 seed bead. I skip seed bead. I enter only into the sequence and straight away into the seed bead from where my thread and needle came out, this way. Measure that your second hole comes as well to the our back, and again come, enter into the hole, into the sequence, enter into the seed bead, into the sequence and the hole, and then into the seed bead on our base. It is a bit hard, but we will manage as always. This way, and again. You can pass through these seed beads on the base, through the different seed beads. You don't need to pass through the same seed bead, as after a few times you will pass. It won't be possible for you anymore to pass through the same seed bead, so you can choose another one. Here our thread is going wavy, so we will do it very carefully. And here I will enter into the another seed bead here. So I can't show you what seed beads I use, but those are next to my first seed bead, to be able to sew our pin to the brush. I go through 5 times, and then I will go to my second hole and I will go through the hole as well 5 times, and from there I will check. And you check that if you feel that your pin is attached well, you can secure your thread and cut it. Now I will weave my thread next to the second hole, carefully and slowly. Now I enter into the second hole. I take sequence, seed bead, and I do the same as with my previous hole. I enter into the seed bead and I pass few times through the hole on the pin, through the sequence, into the seed bead, and back. Be careful not to sew on crystals on our brush. And I see that my pin attached very well, and I'm ready to secure my thread and cut it. I will secure it by making one more knot next to my and together with my tail, and from there I will weave a thread and will cut it. The same as we do always do. Just a knot. And weave the threads to different directions. I pull a bit and then I will pass with my thread. And I will most probably will make one more knot around the thread. For example, here. I go around the thread on the crystal, I pull it, and I will weave my thread down and cut it. As you can see, I use these curved Madeira scissors. Those are just perfect. And the same I will do with tail. But with the tail I will just pass into the seed bead. I won't make another knot. I will just pass a bit here and will cut the thread. As always, I turn these scissors and cut. Our brush is ready. If to be honest, I would make a bit different design, as here I used light seed beads, but I think it would be better if I would use some darker seed beads. Like that, this hematite stone would be more beautiful. Now we have quite huge difference in the colors, but in the meantime I still love it, as pink color is my favorite color, as you all know. But if you are interested here in this, one of my favorite as well, what I always use here, I used this kind of crystal. It is not even Czech crystal, it is, I ordered somewhere from I think from Temu. I ordered these crystals and I'm quite happy with the results. I used here yellow zircon stone instead of pink zircon stone. On the top I used here as well gray crystals, and here are Czech crystals, yellow as well, with AB effect. So if you would like to create this one, it will be the same but only with yellow crystals with AB effect, and gray crystals, crystal in the middle, yellow zircon stones instead of pink. So now I will have these two beautiful brushes.